This is a short video that will cover the new and improved Gantt chart functionality in PPO. I will demonstrate how this used to work from the blue and yellow instance currently displayed on my screen, and I will also be showing you the new and improved functionality from this bright blue and green instance that's also showing on my screen. Currently, you can only view the project Gantt chart for one single project. This has now been changed. As you can see currently on the screen, we can now view the task Gantt chart for multiple projects. So on the screen currently, I'm displaying tasks for the procurement module development project and the MIS reporting project as well. From this view, if you want to view the task Gantt chart for a specific project, you can use the function of applying multiple filters. So what you will need to do is to apply a project filter. And from the list of projects showing on here, you can choose the relevant project that you would like to see in the Gantt chart. Next change that I would like to show to you is the zoom in and zoom out function. Currently, in order for you to be able to zoom in and zoom out on your project Gantt chart, you need to click on the action buttons and select the applicable choice. That option has now been changed, as you can now use the slider to zoom in and zoom out of your Gantt chart view. In addition to this change, we now have a page splitter, which you can use to expand your task list on your left-hand side, or you can use it to expand your Gantt chart view. The next change relates to viewing the responsibility on a specific task. Currently, the only way for you to be able to see who's assigned to a task is to hover over the task itself on the Gantt view and go through the detail. Another option is for you to apply the responsibility filter and choose which resource you would like to view the tasks for. You can see the avatar in the task list itself on the left-hand side and also on the Gantt chart itself. So as an example, if we look at the peer quality review code and documentation, this is currently assigned to Mary Extian. And when we go to the Gantt view, we can also see that the avatar is being displayed on there as well. The next item relates to the ability to be able to import your schedule into PPO. Currently, the only place that you can import your schedule is from the project view page itself. In the task section, you will need to click on the actions button and select the import tasks option. This is still the case on the new instance. You can still import your tasks from the project view page. And in addition to that, you can also import your schedule from the Task Gantt view by accessing the Actions button and selecting Import. This can also be done on the task list itself by selecting the Actions button and clicking on Import. Next change relates to customizing your Task Gantt chart page, and this can be done by clicking on the gear icon. When you click on the gear icon, you will notice that currently you will have fields and baseline fields. These two sections relate to the Gantt view itself. So as an example, currently on the Gantt view, I'm able to see the actual progress, the planned and start end dates. And if I wanted to, I could then further customize this to say, I want to be able to see the baseline fields. So as an example, I will add the baseline start date and I will also add the baseline end date. And I will click on save. Upon clicking on save, you will see that the baseline dates will now be represented by the thin gray line that's currently showing on this timeline. So currently for this project, you can see that there is no slippage in the view that I'm on at the moment. The next setting that I would like to go through is the page size. So you are also able to customize the page size of your Task Gantt screen. So currently I am showing 20 tasks per page. So if I wanted to increase this, I can change this to 50. And when I save this, you will see it will update the Gantt chart accordingly. The last setting I would like to show you under the settings is the ability to add and remove some of the columns on the list that's appearing next to the Gantt view. So as an example, I would like to have a view of the planned progress, and I would like to show this next to the actual progress. So I'm going to click on that field, and I'm going to also change the order to appear before the actual progress. When I click on save, this will now add the planned progress field for me on the columns on the left-hand side. The last change that I would like to show to you is the ability to see the actual dates on the Gantt view. So if you hover over the timeline with your mouse, you will see that it shows you the actual dates on there. You can even drag down your mouse and move it to the left or to the right to be able to see the actual dates. I hope you found this video useful and that you will enjoy the new improved functionality of the Gantt chart. Thank you.